If we haven't officially met yet, welcome to Ninja Chef. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on that bell to be notified when we post newly released videos. We know you'll click on the like button because today in our Guilty Pleasure segment, we're going to be making brownies Ninja Chef style with carrots and spinach. What? No way! Yes way! You won't feel guilty eating these veggie brownies. Here at Ninja Chef, we make delicious, healthy, inexpensive dishes for you and your family. So if you're a newbie to our channel and you're thinking about making delicious, healthy, and inexpensive dishes for you and your family, you come to the right place. Stick around and we'll show you how to treat yourself later in the video. Roll out that fantastic intro. Woo! Alright you guys, let me show you how this is done. First, you need simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. We're saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen, no problem. The ingredients you need are very simple. Here at Ninja Chefs, we make everything easy for you so you have time to eat and enjoy. Buy your favorite brownie mix and follow the instructions on the box. On this brownie mix, it asks for a 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, and 2 large eggs. Wow, only 3 ingredients needed. But let us make it even easier for you. The 2/3 cups vegetable oil is optional. Here at Ninja Chef's Kitchen, we will opt out of the 2/3 cup vegetable oil. We won't need it. Remember, we make healthy dishes here. And yes, of course, 1/2 cup of carrots and 1/2 cup of spinach will be added to these ingredients. And there you have it. That's all you need. Don't worry about writing anything down. All is written for you down below. The recipe is easy and healthy that you'll never forget it. Before we begin with the preparation, come a little bit closer. Make sure your kids are not around because this one is a doozy. Here we go. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or to the recommended temperature on your brownie mix box. While the oven is preheating, fill your pot with water halfway and bring it to a boil. Wash the carrots and the spinach in the metal colander and drain them. Peel and trim the ends of the carrots and cut into chunks to measure 1/2 cup and set aside. Gather the spinach to measure 1/2 cup and set to the side. Place the carrots on the metal colander and on top of the boiling water. Steam the carrots for about 10 to 12 minutes or until tender. Cover with lid. While the carrots are steaming, let's prepare the brownie mix. Follow the instructions on the box. Empty the brownie mix in the bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of water, 2 eggs, and then mix. Remember, here at Ninja Chef, we omit 2/3 cups of oil. It's not needed. We like to cut down on the cholesterol, keeping it healthy. Comment down below if you include the oil or you omit the oil from the mixture. Comment include or omit. Once the carrots has been steaming for about 10 to 12 minutes, add the spinach to the carrots and allow to cook for only 40 seconds. Set aside to cool. Make sure the kids are at school when you do this. We wouldn't want them to see the carrots and spinach. Some kids don't like veggies, so we have to deceive them so they eat healthy. But we do it in a loving and caring way. While the carrots and spinach are cooking, let's go ahead and coat the baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Leave to the side. With your food processor or hand chopper, puree the carrots and spinach. It's okay if they're together. If you don't have a food processor or a hand chopper, it's okay. Just mash the tender carrots with a fork and cut the spinach with a knife. Very easy. Add the pureed carrots and spinach to the already prepared brownies and mix. And use your electric hand mixer. Mix well so there's no sign of carrots or spinach. Pour the batter into the pan and bake for 35 to 45 minutes or to the time suggested on your brownie mix box. After 35 or 45 minutes, check the brownies if it's well cooked by inserting a knife in the middle. When it's fully baked, set aside to cool. When the brownies have cooled, cut into squares. Your choice on what size you want to cut them, big or small. If you like, now this is optional, sprinkle some powdered sugar on the brownies. Serve to yourself first. After all, you deserve it. You did an awesome job. Serve to your spouse 1 or 2 pieces. Just kidding, just give them a little bit more. For your kids, serve them at least 4 pieces. Brownies have carrots and spinach. I'll need a secret. Shh. Easy, eat, enjoy. Don't you agree? Leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you'll make brownies the Ninja Chef style and become a Ninja Chef. Comment by writing yes or maybe. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for our next segment. Treat yourself because you deserve it. And also the joke of the day. Okay, you guys, we're going to the market. Some markets not all have a section of food already cooked, so they have done the cooking for us. Here in Ninja Chef, we go to the most healthiest section of food already prepared for us. Let me take you to that section. The market's a bit crowded today, but we'll get through. The section I want to take you to is right over this way. I'll try to hurry up a little, see if we can get there. Alright, so here, almost there. Oh my god, you guys, I think I just heard my apple. Come on, let's just keep going. Alright, we're almost there to that section. I'll be alright. There are 4 kinds of soup available for us today. Let's take a look at what they have available. Let's see what we have here. Chicken tortilla. That looks pretty good. New England clam chowder. Chili with beans. Okay. And tomato bisque. The amount of serving is reasonable. The price is not too bad. It's 12 ounce for $3.99, 16 ounce for $4.99, 32 ounce for $7.99, and the daily features 7 soups for 7 days of the week. Go Ninja Chef, treat yourself. Ninja Chef style. Here it comes, the joke of the day. Are you ready for this? When it rains, everything gets wet. Something to think about. Leave us a comment down below. You're free to use this joke, but you must give a shout out to Ninja Chefs and share our videos, give our videos a like, subscribe. For your support, we'll see you in the next one. Go Ninja Chefs!